Hey folks, hope everyone's doing well. So this is the first time we have gone, or rather I have gone live on the YouTube channel, and I want to just give it a try. So as some of you know, one of the things I was looking at doing was actually just trying to do a bit of product research every single day. Now, the ideal place for that is TikTok, and that's probably where I want to think about doing it. Like TikTok is a great place for it, but I thought I'd try it here and see if any of you guys jump on. If any questions, please ask. I don't know how many people are going to join this session. It's hard to know. It could be a few, it could be zero. I don't really know. But look, I'm just going to do about maybe 10 minutes product research, and you guys can follow along, see what we find. If we find any products, great. If we don't find any products, well, we didn't find any products. But that is basically it. I hope you guys are all doing, see if I'm on the right microphone here. Hope you guys are all doing really well. I am doing brilliant, and it's a great day. Very warm though, that's the only thing. But let's get set up here and let's start into this product research. So let's see. First of all, pod launch ninja research session. Put a hashtag. Number 1. Let's see how this goes, right? Well, let's save this. Let's go live. Okay, we are live. Right. Amazon.co.uk. Let's start there and let's see how it goes. And I'm going to share my screen so you guys can all come in. Okay, share screen. Okay, so as always, when we're doing product research, we always try and start off at the homepage because this is where, this is the very beginning of our research journey, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to go into bestsellers, and let's just start there. Now, there is different research methods we can use, but this is the one I'm going to go with today, and let's see what we can find, right? I am then going to go to, let's see, I always like automotive. So we're going to go to automotive, right? And let's go to motorbikes, accessories, and parts. Now, I don't really know where I'm going to end up here. I'm just diving into this niche and see what we can find. Let's go accessories. Let's have a wee look, right? Now, YouTube's kind of funny, as I said. I don't know who's going to come on to this or how even people are showing this video that we are live. But we'll see how it goes, right? So what I'm doing at the moment now is I'm just scrolling down, having a look and seeing, can I see any products that actually stand out? Remember that was something I looked into before. I wonder how it is now. I just think the pricing didn't work out on it at the time. Generally, when you're this high up, like you don't usually find as many. Like you really want to go deep usually to find a lot of the real sort of nuggets. Let's go here. Covers. Yeah, that's all it covers. Already there. It's right here. So that was that product there. Let's just look that up. Ground anchor. $461 results, which is good. And I think there's a few different designs. And when I was looking at it, this didn't come with it. So this must be a new product potentially. No, it's been around a while. So overall, selling quite well. The price has gone up. Slightly complicated with that anchor point. This bit here, like the actual lock, you could have some problems there. Yeah, look, there's quite a lot. Here's another one here. Some really beefy ones as well, like that. How long is that around? Yeah, just about 2 years. So it shows you there's a bit of demand, like it's making sales. I won't say it's making piles, but it's definitely making sales. And absolutely, folks, if anyone's watching and you want to actually like me to look at a market and review it for you, just leave it down below in the comments. I'm happy to do that. I can see at the moment watching live, we're on 0. So maybe some people watching the replay. Just move away off some of these products here. So like products related to this item, let's see what we can find. I think that's the one I was looking at, the $15.99 one. There's another one that's very similar. I just want to see how that's selling. Yeah, not selling very well at all, but this one is selling a bit better. Yeah, selling really well, that one. Funny as well, it's worth looking at this tool here. It's called Keepa. And basically what it does is it allows us to have a look at the BSR history and the pricing history of a product. And then if we get an idea like, okay, it's sold this well for the past year or whatever, well, in this case, like this product's been selling since, when is it? It started selling in 2018, and it's basically been selling consistently since. Maybe not as well as it was at the very beginning, but overall, it's still a very good selling product. And we can work out, okay, there's not much other competition. We can actually come in here and, you know, ours should get those sales as well. Like it's not really that seasonal. It's fairly consistent. All right. But as I said, there's actually that market is not one I really want to go into at the moment. Let's have a look and see if there's anything else. And what I'm doing now when I'm scrolling across here, I'm just looking for something that's different, like something that really stands out. Like this is a completely different product. No, you can all see my hat, Paul Lounge Ninja. There's nothing there that I want to sell. Now I'll find stay away from products that are like this. We just keep adding one more and one more and for a little bit less. It's just a race to the bottom. We don't want to be in those markets. No. Look here, what's in this market here and off this listing? Yeah. No, I'm gonna get out of this market, folks. It's not a market I'm enjoying. Let's go back here. What are we in? We're in motorbike theft protection. That one though, just a bit different. That one's very consistent. So cement underground. Basically, probably cement that into the ground when you're doing building work. Let's look here. People are liking it. Now, the first thing I noticed about this product, it is own fulfillment, which means that, you know, if we come in FBA, we'd be able to, you know, compete that way. Let me just see what they're taking. Amazon pricing calculator. Here we are. So this fee calculator here. This is the US one. Let's just change that to UK. What is UK? And we're looking to put in this ASIN here. Here. Let's try it again. Let's try estimate by dimensions. Let's have a look here. It doesn't tell me. Right. Okay. Well, it's $16.99, right? So I would imagine, look, the filming cost, that's going to be £6 or £7 total, right? So about a tenner left over then for like the product getting manufactured, getting brought in from China, and paying our taxes and duties on that. Let's have a look. Is there many of these for sale? Okay, interesting. So all these other anchors, right, except for this one here, which is £69, right, are, by the looks of it, above ground, right? This one here, which is identified, is below ground. This one I wouldn't think is selling too much at all. Now they're making the odd sale, but like reality is own fulfillment, bad listing, and the price of it, not going to work. But this one here is selling well enough. Let me just look at the history, just make sure we have an idea. Yeah, fairly consistent, and they've increased their price. And you know, I reckon if we come in here and actually sold it for maybe 20 or 24 pounds, I reckon that product could actually sell. Like as in it was FBA at that price, because the reality is that people are going to buy FBA over FBM any day and all day long. And absolutely, it would out compete. And it's a very simple product. Like it couldn't really break, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. I like that one. Okay. So let me go now to the next portion. What I do with this product is actually see, does this supplier have any other similar items? Okay. We'll see this. It's really low cost. Yeah, but it's £6 delivery. Does that one have delivery charge? Yeah, £5. So £21. And then yeah, 100% you get 24, maybe £27 for that on Prime. I'm going to reach out to the supplier. I think this is a potential product to move forward with. And I think it wouldn't be one that wouldn't be a large MOQ on. 100%. That's great. That's research. How long have I been doing it? I've been researching, 14 minutes, not even, and I found a product. Right. This rotating car swivel cushion. I just want to see that. I'm going to move completely out of this niche now and just go to something completely different. Rotating swivel cushion. Probably I don't know, is there a market for this? Yeah, 1,000 results. Yeah. Nah, too many. Don't want to get involved in that. Very low cost. So there's our product. I like that. I'd obviously have to explore a bit more to see, like, is there competition in the market, like in terms of an FBA example, but I didn't see one. So many different products. Well, looking at this, folks, I don't think YouTube gets many views on live, which is unfortunate. I think I'll call it quits there. Right, folks, this is the very first product research session that I've done live. on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, I found this product here that I'm now going to reach out to suppliers, get pricing on, and perhaps order it if it all adds up and we just do a little bit deeper. But yeah, looks pretty good. So folks, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for probably watching this on the replay, 100%. It's good to have you there, and I will chat you all very, very soon. Make sure to subscribe. I like the channel. We're trying to grow this, and yeah, any Amazon FBA questions, just ask me. I'm happy to help you all out.